Hi guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, and we have a new month, February, so it's time for an income report of my Amazon KDP business. I will show you transparent how many orders I had in the last month of January, how much royalties I made, and of course we have a detailed look into advertising, because in the most cases the people out there on YouTube, they are showing you their royalties while making 10 grand every month, but they are not showing you the ad spend. And in this video, I will show you everything transparent, how much royalties I made, how much advertising costs I had. We will subtract everything and then make the counting how much money is left over at the end of the month of January. If you are completely new on my channel, feel free to subscribe, because I have the goal to monetize the YouTube channel like I did on my German channel. Little teaser, in the next 2 days I will create and upload and publish a video about my YouTube earnings from my German YouTube channel, and I will show transparent every affiliate income that I had for the last month. So in addition to my KDP reports, I will do YouTube and affiliate earning reports, so feel free to subscribe for free to the channel so you don't miss the videos. But right now, I want to show you everything about my Amazon KDP business, my incomes, my orders from the last month of January, and we will jump right into the sales history. And as you can see, I was able to sell 605 books in the last month. And as you can see, if you highlight 25 of January, there was a lot of things going on. I tested the Jamsey, the review service for Amazon.com. Link in the video description. I will link the video to Jamsey in the right hand corner, so feel free to check it out, how to get reviews on the American marketplace. And therefore I started to publish 2 books on Amazon.com, and not only on Amazon.com, also because it's an English book on Amazon Canada, UK and Australia. And we will see it later in the ad spend. I tested a few things, and it could be very informative to you how a book is performing without reviews but advertising, so ads on a marketplace like Australian. So make sure to watch the whole video. But as I mentioned, I had 605 sales in January, and this means 3,636 euros in royalties. So I'm happy with this amount, and if you want to share your results, please make a comment in the comment section down below, because I think it's very motivating, and it doesn't matter how many books you sold. You can type a comment, I sold 1 book, I sold 1 million books. It doesn't matter, it motivates the whole KDP community. But now, after I showed you how many royalties I made in January, the most important thing, the ad spend, the cost of advertising. And we will start with the German, the most expensive marketplace in my Amazon KDP business. As you can see, I spent 2,184 euros in advertising. Of course, I published a new book in January, and therefore the ad spend rised up. It's completely normal. You have to invest an amount of money so that you have the kickstart on your launch in your book to make the long-term success and money. So as I mentioned, 2,184 euros in ad spend on German marketplace. Then on the France marketplace, 274 euros, ACOS 58%. I'm very happy with this. Amazon.com, as I mentioned, I published 2 new books with the Jamsey review tool, and I had costs of 328 euros. ACOS was not so good, but it was no surprise to me, because you are gaining the reviews without a sales on your listing. So you have no sales history on your listing, just the reviews. And therefore, Amazon do not really know what is your book about, okay? Because in most cases, in a good launch, you are making sales, or you are generating sales through a special keyword, and then Amazon knows the book is about topic X or Y, okay? But in this case, without any sales history, Amazon has a hard or rough time to get the knowledge what is your book about, and therefore the performance at the beginning is not so good, but it should be optimized during the next months, and hopefully the sales will increase. So on Amazon.com, $328 in ad spend. Then we have Canada, $70 in ad spend, the same as I mentioned, 58% acres. It's okay. Then UK, it was expensive because 88 pounds are something around about 100 euros because the pound is very strong. And the acres was not good because there are no reviews on the book. I just tested how a book performs without reviews, but with ads. And as you can see, the performance is not so good, but the positive thing is that we had sales. Okay, so building the sales history slow and steady, optimize all the not so well performing keywords, and then hopefully in the next months, the book sales will increase and the performance will. Last marketplace, Amazon Australia, $8 in ad spend, nothing special, 34% ACOS. Very good. Okay, now we have all the ad spends. We have to subtract the complete ad spend from the royalties. And if we do the math, as you can see, I subtracted all the ad spend from my royalties. I had a profit of 683 euros in the month of January. So as I mentioned, I tested a lot of things. I published 2 new books on the English marketplaces, so .com, UK, whatsoever. I published a new book on the German marketplaces, so the ad spend is rising. The performance is not so well because it's the launch, as you know, obviously, and therefore I made a good amount of profit, so I'm really happy with this. And as I mentioned, KDP is not the only way I'm earning money currently. I'm earning also money with YouTube and affiliate. And this is an amount I will show you in the next video. It's surprisingly high, and I was really surprised how much money on a second way I'm making right now with YouTube and affiliate. So as I mentioned, feel free to subscribe because I will show you everything from my online business, and hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions or want to show your results, put a comment in the comment section down below. And then there's nothing more about to say. I wish you a very great day, and we'll see you in the next video.